Yo, 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 good morning, my lovely people. Welcome back to another day in paradise. Let's do this. I'm pumped up. I don't know about you, but I see Warner's obviously pumped up in the chat today. What's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. Happy almost Friday, almost weekend, and then another week of trading. I'm long gold right now. Just so you know. And yeah, let me make sure audio is good. Audio check. We are good to go. Feeling blessed this morning. Feeling like we're going to make a lot of money in the markets today. Long gold. Average price right in here. Take profit's going to be sitting right here. And we're just going to let her eat. But first things first, we have a bunch of news events today. And yeah, if you're trading at 8:30, good luck to you, my friends, because we have GDP, price index in there, core durable, good orders, employment claims, goods trade balances, wholesale inventories, and then at 10 o'clock, new home sales, 10:30, natural gas storage. So it's going to be a fun day today. And of course, our lovely friends in China are still celebrating their spring. Their spring. Meanwhile, it's 20 degrees out and snowing here. So they're missing a great market. I guess. Yeah, oh, they come back tomorrow. Look at that. Congrats, China. But yeah, so look, if you're trading at 8:30, or I guess close to 8:30, just definitely keep that in mind because you're going to be in for some volatility. That's why I decided to take a trade early today. Thought maybe we can get some nice movement ahead of 8:30 because I don't really want to trade at 8:30. But yeah. Let's take a look at the Dixie because we have to, and because, well, the Dixie ain't doing shit right now, so it's going to be a quick one. Yesterday, it actually closed below these wicks. Imagine that. It actually made a move. But then today, we're going right back into that zone. So if you look at the 4-hour found some support at this bottom here. And now we're heading back up. So the Dixie looks bullish today. Great. If the Dixie can break through this 101,850, then it's going to have a nice run back towards through 102. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, Dixie's still, until it gets out of this daily range, doesn't have really an influence in the overall market right now. But maybe today it'll move out. Probably not. But tomorrow we do have the inflation numbers. So maybe it'll get out tomorrow. Who knows? But regardless, the Dixie, don't really care too much about what's going on with the Dixie today. So let's take a look. Let's take a look-see at the equities and see if we got anything good going on in the equities today. Let's take a look-see. Remove a lot of these drawings because a lot of them are just unnecessary. Cool. Yesterday, nice push down to retest this breakout. Really strong close. I mean, it closed bearish, but it absorbed a lot of that move down. It was a strong move at the end of the day. I guess the second half of the day. And so now, as painful as it is for me to say, equities look fucking bullish. I mean, it is what it is, So we'll see. Obviously, we'll see what happens. We're still sitting in this range here. But if you just follow structure, follow trend here, we broke and retested this trend line here. So in theory, we should continue on up. But we'll see. A lot of things can change that with data's coming out, earnings, yada yada. But however, let's look at the levels that we have for the equities today. I guess this is NASDAQ. We'll take a look at NASDAQ. You have the highs right here sitting right around 11,933. That's your consolidated highs here, and then the lows are down here at this retest of 11.6. So you have a very, very, very clean 4-hour range on both sides here. So the NASDAQ could be a clean trader today. So let's take a look at the hourly, see if we can find more detail with levels here. Cool. Yeah, so you have this nice pivot from overnight right here at 11,858. So decent lows here, break through that. Maybe we can get some type of move down to fill some of this move from yesterday. Very clean price action yesterday. However, I'm not sure how much I'm expecting, considering that, you know, we're in a technical breakout here. So if I were to take shorts below this area, it probably would only be down towards like maybe 11,800 area-ish. But we'll kind of gauge the momentum and volatility we have, because we still have a while. We have 8:30 news events coming out, the NYSE open. So, but yeah, so I'm not going to be, because I don't scalp and I look for the overall move, I will not be taking any trades on the NASDAQ until after 8:30 numbers. Because it's an hour and 15 minutes away and there's no setup for me yet. And usually my trades are about an hour long anyway, sometimes 30 minutes, hour long. And so there's no setup for me yet. And yeah, so I'm just going to be waiting to take any equity trades. Oh man, excuse me. Any equity trades until after 8:30. So, I mean, yeah, here are your levels, but I'm not going to be trading off of them yet. You have your highs, your consolidated morning highs here at 11,900. And your consolidated morning lows here at 11,856. But we'll see what the 8:30 numbers give us. And we'll kind of play off that. Moving on to gold. My lovely, lovely gold. So it's official. Gold is on full breakout mode. Full breakout mode we have for gold here. If you look at the daily chart, we have this level of support and resistance at 1915, 1920 area. You can see that. You can see that on this on the daily chart, on the recent daily chart, broke through, found a lot of support, a lot of exhaustion, and now a close above. What we're doing now today is we're retesting the weekly point of control, retesting this breakout, retesting all of this exhaustion, and then you can see more details on the lower time frame here. We had a strong move out yesterday for a breakout, and now we're pushing down to potentially retest this breakout for a continuation back towards the high of the day. Ideally is what I'm looking for. Good morning, family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Did you get your funded account? But yeah, so looking at the hourly chart, currently showing a lot of exhaustion to the downside here at that weekly point of control. This is also an area where we've seen a top in here, a lot of rejection as well. So this is a nice area of support. Looking at the 30-minute broke these lows, bullish engulfing back up. We're getting a little bit of a deep retracement now, which is interesting. But I guess we're just stuck in this consolidation because I also like the 15-minute. 15-minute broke this low, bullish engulfing back up, showing some exhaustion at the weekly point of control. Showing a little bit of divergence there as well. So this is a pretty deep retracement, but ultimately I like the continuation out of here. Back towards at least like 1942 area. But yeah, trade ideas for the day. Awesome. Well, congrats. How exciting. Good luck. trade idea for the day is going to be longs above 1937.5, shorts below weekly point of control at 1934, and then but I'm just going to be playing backside, so something like this or something like this, and I'll just trade backside. I am long right now, but it's a smaller position, and it was just based off of this move right here. Had a break of these lows, bullish engulfing, bought. Seems like I thought we could get a nice rally out of here at the support of the weekly point of control. And so I'm still hanging on to that long. It is retracing a little deeper than I expected, so we'll see what happens here. But ultimately for the day, my trade idea will be off of this morning session consolidation. Take profit to the downside is going to be right around this area here, somewhere from 1929 to 1927. Take profit to the upside. It's going to be right around 1941-ish. This area here. Oil. Taking a look at the daily. Deleting some of these levels because it's just obnoxiously too many levels. Sitting here at these highs still. Daily chart still rejecting this 81.50 area. And yesterday, you know, we've confirmed that we're just sitting here chopping around in this range here. So we'll have to hop down to lower time frames and take a look at some more detail. So these nice lower highs, neckline in here, rejected it yesterday, and now we're coming back up to that same area. So let's take a look at lower time frames to see if this is an area we could consider shorting off of. And this is the area I was considering shorting off of yesterday as well, off of this wick here. I didn't take it because it happened too late. But this is the same area I was looking to short off of. We already had a rejection this morning, back at it. Seeming like, you know, we're showing some exhaustion here for the buyers. Running now into this trend line here, right around this trend line. And so it's a decent area to potentially take sells. We'll see how this 15-minute closes. If this 15-minute closes bearish the way it is, and we see this 5-minute showing these lower highs, then I'll take a short entry, stop above the high, look for a run back down towards lows. But we'll see how this 15-minute closes in the next 9 minutes. Because I want to see a little bit more of a confirmation of this rejection before I hop in. Because then I'll also give us a nice 30-minute rejection wick here at the same area. Taking a look at pound yen. Pound yen. Let's see. Yesterday showing signs of bottoming here. Today showing the same area of exhaustion. So potential area for pound yen to get going here. Looking at this retracement. Yeah, 38.2% retracement, a valid higher low, so it can get going if it wants to. I like this break of high here. Flag at the high, and now potential breakout on the 4 hour. Breakout on the 4 hour is looking good for pound yen. Looking at the 1 hour, we have this breakout sitting right in here after this flag down from the break of highs. Retest right in here. And so, yeah, I mean, I like the longs to continue back towards the highs of 161, 750, 162, and then a continuation from there. But we are sitting with some resistance, some overhead resistance here. So I probably wouldn't consider taking this until we actually like broke above and did something like this. Then I'd look for a pound yen long. Otherwise, don't really like the shorts because of the way that price is setting up. Broke through these highs, broke through these highs, broke through this flag. And so technically I like the longs for this breakout. So I'm just going to be looking for something like this for pound yen today, and that's it. So we'll add an alert on the breakout if we can get that. And then we'll come back and take a look at it. Oil. Again, still have some 7 minutes left. And this is why I'm waiting, because it could potentially find support here and keep going. So waiting on that one. Gold's looking good. Gold's rebounding some off the lows here. So, it's typical where you get a break of the low, rally back to the high, retest that low, and then a run. So I'm liking gold's setup here for a continuation to the upside towards like 1941 area. But yeah, hourly is showing a lot of signs of exhaustion to the downside as well. Looks good. 30-minute, yeah. Gold looking great. Yeah, what are you looking for gold, Pablo? I'm actually long gold right now, so I'm liking it. But it actually came back to retest this breakout here. Had a nice retracement. Sitting pretty. But either way, it's in a nice range. So if we get the shorts, you have a clean range to the backside here. If you get the longs, clean range to the upside. So I like both ideas, but I'm leaning long. At a decent area of support here as well. So this red line is the weekly point of control. But right here is also the daily point of control. So it's in like a sandwich right now of point of controls. Man. But we'll see. We'll see what we get. I'll adapt to shorts if I have to. Don't like that 5-minute close. Don't like it at all. That 5-minute close was not pretty. Oh, 30-minute close is coming up, and yeah, it's just ranging here now, so not looking too hot. Okay, nice. Yeah, you like the buys. Something like that. Yeah, overnight analysis was perfect. It's looking very nice. All right, gold. Let's get moving. Big Daddy's gotta eat. Big dog's gotta eat. I gotta put food on the table, man. Come on. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's fucking do this, baby. Let's make a bunch of money today. Why don't we? On the stream. And I took the gold buys because I was trying to get these trades in before 8:30. And if it doesn't get before 8:30, I'll bag the position and I'll wait for the price to settle down and decide where it wants to go. So yeah, we'll see. US 100, the NASDAQ. Not taking any other positions. Oh yeah, see, that's why you wait for confirmation, because oil, although I was looking for shorts, didn't confirm on the higher time frame yet, and now it's breaking out. So yes, that is why you wait, ladies and gentlemen. So no trade on oil. Yeah, so equity is definitely ranging until 8:30, most likely. Either way, I'm not trading them till 8:30 because that's an hour away and not enough time for me to get it set up and trade it. Yeah, so not touching equities till after 8:30. Not touching anything, honestly, till after 8:30 other than this current gold play. So, big dog's gotta fucking eat. Let's go. Let's go. Right. All right, all right. We pumping, baby. We pumping. We pumping in here. We just gotta get this breakout, these highs, and then we pumping. I love to see gold rally just start just taking off like a fucking rocket ship. I'm liking the structure here, right? We broke the lows, and now we're creating a higher low at these lows here. So seems like the characteristics of this current gold, I guess, retracement here is starting to find a bottom and potentially rally up towards our 1941 take profit area. So yeah, looking good, looking very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice. Showing that in the 15-minute as well, which closes in 10 seconds. Mwah! Setting up like a beautiful little just golden ticket. Golden tickets to some profits. Alrighty. 15-minute, 30-minute close. 30-minute close with a very, very nice rejection wick. 15-minute close with, yeah, dude, this thing's looking very... It looks ripe for a strong breakout, I tell you. All this accumulation going on here, all this stopping out, retest, this thing's going to take off. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We gonna make some fucking money today. You know what? I bet you'd never be able to tell that I got no sleep. My baby kept me up the whole second half of the night. But it's all mindset. And I woke up saying I have so much energy. I'm wide awake. I feel good. And you know what? I'm wide awake and I have so much energy. It's amazing what the mind can do. Oh, yeah. Oh, feeling blessed. Let's going on, everybody? Tell me what's good. Tell me what's good today. Tell me what's good today. Give me something. Look at oil breaking out. Yeah, baby. Discipline at its finest. Oil just in a nasty range, not in play for me today. Pound yen definitely in play for longs for me today. Gold longs in play, and equities. We'll see what happens after 8:30. Yeah, once we break through these highs, very low volume through 89, or I guess 38 to 40. So, all right back to this area here. Maybe do something like this. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Watch, this is what we're going to do. It's going to follow perfectly. So, boom. Bam. 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 How come after I drew that, it started going down? Oh, that's funny. I drew this, and it's like, nope. Swerve. All right, all right, all right. Watching most of the time frames here, I just want to see it maintain, this structure here. Then, I want to just see this prove that it's actually changing direction here. Onyx coming in with the motivation, the energy. I feel the energy. Welcome. Let's kill it today. 100%. Dude, I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it today. Like, I feel the energy. I feel the vibes. I feel like we're going to make a bunch of fucking money today. It's going to be good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What are you trading today, Onyx? Feeling good. Love the energy. Just coming right out of the gate with just vibes. I had to take a leak. Yeah, it was just this between the water and this tea. Gotta stay hydrated, my friends. All right, let's see. Let's put a poll out there and see how many people want to fill it out. Right, all right. Let's see what happens. Can I vote? Oh, I can't vote? That's not fair. That's not fair. Whoops. Oh, I ended the poll. That's awkward. Oh, that's awkward. Really? Well, that's stupid. Oh well. Fuck it. Alrighty. Yeah, this thing's looking pretty stuck. Stuckity stuck. Oh, ugly 5-minute close. Oh. Ugly 5-minute close, but this thing just shot up like a fucking banshee out of nowhere. Yeah, it's just chopping. When I got in the position, I had thought that, this would be the chance to really, go in here. But instead, it decided to just chop around. Chop around. Alrighty. Let's see. Oil, chilling, pound yen. Yeah. Consolidating. Everything's consolidating. Alrighty. Oh, man. Barrel. Yeah. Everything's just chilling right now, so not much to do. Yeah, you're right, Pablo. It looks like another day of waiting. Oh, man. All these days has been days of waiting. Oh, it's killing me here. Top of the morning, William. Welcome, my friends. Happy to see you in the chat. I know you're just sitting there waiting for the 8:30 news also, I assume, because we're all waiting. But feeling good and having a good time nonetheless. Welcome to the chat. Happy to have you. Just waiting, just waiting, just waiting. What are you thinking today, William? What are you looking at? When everybody makes money on this gold play today, make sure you like the stream. Like it and subscribe. Because, yeah. Because why not? Let's make some money today. So waiting. But we want to make some money. Looking at the big dogs after Tesla earnings. My man. Good call. As Mike said earlier in the chat, it's all about Tesla today. Good man. Following the big dogs. Well, I pray that you make some very good money today, William. Just because you're smart and you're looking at the right things. But 8:30 news coming up in 45 minutes, so you got to hang on tight until then. But we'll have fun nonetheless. Tesla, rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling. Gonzalez, what's going on, my friend? What's the plan for today? I'll tell you what the plan is for today. I am playing gold today. And that's going to be the play of the day for me. Sitting in this nice accumulation range here. Ideally, I see a long above 1938 and we get a strong continuation because we're so bullish. However, I'm open to whatever. And if we do get the sells below 1934, then I'll look for a push down towards 1928. So gold is my play of the day for today. William says, want to see how oil moving also? Yeah, I was keeping an eye on oil, but it's just in a choppy daily range here that really just doesn't, I don't have an edge in. I just keep trying to find plays in it every day, but it just doesn't give me anything nice. I was trying to get shorts out of it today. Didn't take any because it didn't confirm. But I'll probably keep an eye on oil, but it's not, I mean, this range here is just super ugly. So not going to be trading oil today. I'm just going to be focusing on pound yen maybe, because pound yen actually has a really decent potential breakout here through 161 back towards these highs at 162. So pound yen and gold will be my two main plays today. Ideally, we get these gold longs, and I'd like to see gold start breaking out before the 8:30 news because typically it does. But we'll see. I'd like to see just, you know, a nice continuation with gold today. So that's the plan for me, Gonzalez. What are you looking at, man? What are you thinking about trading today? Gold really looks like it's setting up for a nice continuation long. Sitting right on top of the weekly point of control. How do I feel about Microsoft? I've always liked Microsoft. Looking at the chart here. Oh, yeah, we're sitting right on top of the weekly 200 moving average. Very, very strong. Finding a higher low in here. I actually really like Microsoft. I really like Microsoft on the higher time frames. Looking at intraday. Yeah, I mean, look, if the market can get going today and we get good 8:30 news, I like the Microsoft for longs. I really do. But like you said, it's going to be all about the big dogs today and really the 8:30 news. But Microsoft's, I'm a fan of. Gonzalez says EU buy. Yeah, actually, considering the dollar's been fucked up, EU buys. Let's take a look. EU's been, you know, Euro's been on a breakout here. Got some resistance north of 1.092. 1 hour, creating these higher lows, looking nice there. Yeah, I concur. I like EU buys as well. I like the idea. Yeah, EU buys are looking decent. I actually really like them. So good call on that one. And yeah, good luck. Warner said, dude, I haven't slept more than 5 hours over the past 16 months. My second child making us work hard. Yeah, I am right there with you, dude. Our second child's coming in March, so I'm going to be right there with you soon. We have a 16-month-old now, 16-month-old daughter, and we have another coming in March, so I will be right there in your same boat. So I can feel, I sympathize with you, Werner. William, what's your long-term portfolio strategy? I'm not shopping quite yet. I'm shopping, but I'm just kind of like window shopping right now. Just looking for, those value plays. But honestly, I'm more of a day trader myself. Now, I do have like a long-term portfolio, but it's something that I'm not as active in. That's more of Mike's side. Mike is a lot better at the stocks, the long-term portfolios, building into positions. He also day trades, but that's more of his strong suit. A lot better than mine. I'm a lot better at finding the move on the day trades and stuff than long-term strategies. Now, not to say that I don't look for long-term portfolios, but typically after I usually wait until I start seeing like a shift in the market, and then I'll just start looking at the solid plays and see, you know, where where the chips at, you know, what's kind of working right now, and then I'll just start, you know, pushing in some positions. So it's not, I don't really have a huge strategy. It's not really a complicated strategy from a long-term position, because that's something that's kind of on the side, just that's you know, just I don't even look at. It's just pretty simple. I just kind of look at all the you know, the big names, and see what I think's in value, and where you know, what levels I like. And it's not, I don't really play too much into that. Let's see. Gold still chopping here. What's up, buddy? Got point of control just south, point of control just north, so we're just kind of sandwiched right in here. Gonna need some volume to come in to get us out of here. Maybe 8 o'clock, maybe 8:20, but definitely 8:30. But William, if you're curious about long-term portfolio strategies, and it's something that you're, you know, very much into, if you ask all the guys in our Discord, and you join our Discord, then, you know, they would. We have some great guys in there that are very active in fundamentals and technicals and stock portfolio strategies. So I urge you to join the Discord and ask them, because you'll get some very good insight from that. I promise you on that one. There's some very, very smart guys in there. I just sent the link to the Discord if anybody wants to join our Discord. You're in the Discord. Okay, well, great. Then you're in the Discord, William. Really? Which one are you? Which one are you, Will? Well, look, ask Mike and Mal and Borlam and all that. They're very, very very good at that shit. Now I'm tripping over here. What's your name in the Discord? I'm like, oh, I know which one you are. Yeah, dude, you're the grind tits. You're the grind and tits guy. I forgot. My bad, dude. You know, because I always look at names, and so I didn't see William, and I was like, oh, William's not there. But I was like, totally forgot you're the grind and tits. Well, dude, definitely ask Mike and Mao and Bornlam and those guys if you're curious about that stuff, because they're geniuses about that. Oh my god, I'm so dead. I'm still laughing about the grinded tits, or I don't remember what Mike said. Grind your tits low or something. Oh my god. Shit, I'm so dead, dude. How come I never see grinded tits talk in the Discord, man? Are you not like a active trader? Are you more of like a, you kind of watch type of trader? I never see you in there. It'd make me happier every day if I got to see grinded tits. Grind your tits low message there. I'll get a laugh every morning. Oh man. All right, Gold. It's time for you to start pumping. It's time. It's about time for you to start pumping. Having troubles over there?
Yeah, I'm trying to change my profile picture so people know when I fucking chat that, you know, it's me. There, done.
All right, gold. Let's get going. I'm active. I've been forgetting I'm in the Discord sometimes. Ow! Come on, Will, man. Come on, grinding. Grinding your tits. Get in that Discord. I miss you. I miss the tits. You doing buy stop? Nah. I'm actually already long at 1936 in here. Looking for that long breakout. However, if I was not long, what I would look for is something like this, just buy on the retest. If it actually, I mean, it depends when it starts breaking out. If it starts breaking out now, and I can get a 5-minute retest of 1937, and then a run, I'll take a position. But this is not the type of news where I'll probably do a buy stop or sell stop. I'll just kind of ride it out because it's not like a non-farm payroll or inflation print or anything. I can feel it. Gold wants to so bad. It wants to. It wants it. Mike, institutions accumulating Microsoft on the dip. There you go, Will. You asked about Microsoft, and you got it. Institutions are accumulating it. Follow the big boys. Oh, man. It's killing me. It's killing me. All right, 8 o'clock volume, hourly close. Again, nice rejection. Massive rejection to the downside. So I really just, it seems like it really wants to squeeze. It really seems like it wants to squeeze through these highs here. 30-minute, again, very nice rejection wick. 15-minute, bullish close. I mean, it's really setting up nicely for a breakout. Yeah, well, why not? Throw some pennies in there with the big boys. Join the big leagues. All right, let's see gold start breaking out here. 8 o'clock, heading into COMEX Open, heading to 8:30. This is when it should really start breaking out. It's typically when it breaks out. So let's see if we can get that move. Thinking I might move my stop to break even as we're getting closer to the news and the COMEX Open, and it's just been chopping around. I'm going to move my stop to break even. Stop losses at break even now, and so as we're getting closer to the news and as we're getting closer to 8:20, 8:30, I just, it's been chopping for too long. I just want to see it break out now. If it doesn't break out now, then fuck it. We've just seen so much rejection down here that I like the breakout. It's just I don't want to sit in this that long. Yeah, so. Yesterday was the time to add short term on Microsoft keys to build a position in average unknown dips. That's right. Money Mike talking. Show me the money. 1 hour left in this 40-minute or 4-hour close as well. Showing a little bit of rejection here as well. 2 hours showing rejection. So yeah, it looks decent. I mean, if it can break through here, I don't even know if we'll get the retest. It might just shoot up because, you know, you're seeing this rejection here as well. You're seeing a lot of accumulation in here. It's also the point of control. So once we break through this high here, it might just completely retrace this move and not even get a retest. Bennett, let's see. Tesla and Microsoft are up. That means people going to Starbucks. So, damn, look at Starbucks, man. Look at this, how strong Starbucks is. Shit. Damn. Wow. That thing's been on a fucking tear. People need their coffee, man, I tell you. Shit. Wow. Yeah. Very, very, very nice accumulation of Starbucks last month. Yeah, exactly, Will. 100%, man. Don't complicate things. It's pretty simple. You're exactly right. Just grind those tits low. Yeah, monthly charts definitely running into some resistance. I gotta piss again. Gotta drain the dragon. All right. Chop. Dude. Oh my god. That gets me every freaking time, dude. I tell you, you can create a t-shirt that says hashtag grind those tits low. And I will be your business partner in that. Oh god. Oh, it just makes me laugh every time. That's what I'm saying. I got to see in the Discord, man, because it'll make me laugh every time I see your name. Oh. Oh man, anybody else falling asleep over here waiting for the 8:30 news? Fuck. Oil, man, oil just ripping this morning. Pound yen consolidating. Oh, ES and NASDAQ. Oh, pushing a little higher, but now at resistance. Oh yeah, dude, William. These guys in there are freaking always, always learning. These guys are smart as shit. I mean, they even talk about stuff that I just have to look into. Like everyone in here is just really smart, and it's a great group of guys. Learn a lot every day. Always something to talk about in there. Always talking about something. It's awesome. Yeah, thanks, Werner. I definitely concur. I miss my sleep too, but although I never really slept much, just to begin with. But yeah, it's definitely choppy sleep now. Especially when you have a newborn, dude. You're up like every 2 hours, every 3 hours at night feeding the little shit. I do like how gold's consistently creating these higher lows, wedging up into this breakout area. So if it keeps maintaining these higher lows, then it's just, come a COMEX or come something, it's just going to just squeeze up. So I just want to keep track of these lows because I tell you, it's you got to make sure that you're taking in the clues and the hints. This is how I made, it was like almost 30,000 on a news print, I think it was December, on the Dow, where it was creating these higher lows, wedging into resistance ahead of news, and I took a position at a higher low point, and it just shot up like a freaking banshee, and it ended up working out really well. Now it's not going to be, not going to work out 100% of the time, but if you use that to your advantage, and if you get a little bit of a cushion ahead of the news event, well, why not, So definitely seems like gold's poised to break out here soon. The way it's setting up in this consolidation. Now, it'd be one thing if you just saw this the whole time, which you're seeing, but you're seeing higher lows forming, right? Before it breaks out potentially. So the wrong time frame. Here's the right time frame. I was on the 2 minute. I meant to be on the 5 minute. Oh God, there goes my water bottle top. All right, everybody. Get ready to grind your tits low in 17 minutes. Because it's about to be crazy. Borlam, I am starting that Monday. But I'm glad you asked because I did get it set up. What is it again? FX book. I did get it set up, so here's the what I was talking about. I have to still get it verified and stuff, but so I have it funded and I have it ready to go. And I'm going to send you this link. There's a link that I can send you once I make it public that you could track it. You'll be able to track the activity, the trades, the P&L graph, and all that. So here it is, and I will send it out to you today. But I'm starting that Monday. I didn't want to start on a Thursday or, I want to start fresh on a Monday and just, But welcome to the chat board. I'm late as usual, so I'm glad to see you sticking to your tardiness. But yeah, just in time for gold to break out with COMEX Open and then into the 8:30 news. Any expectations on the report? If I'm being completely honest with you, I honestly didn't even look into the reports because I just wasn't even planning on trading anyway. I was going to kind of trade price action. But if you're looking for expectations, I'm sure Mike has some. Or Bornlon probably has some as well. So I just was kind of waiting for the print to come out and then I'll trade it that way. Usually I'm ready for the print. I'm kind of trading it, but I just wasn't today, to be honest with you. Kids get to school? Oh, I guess kids get to school. Aaron Decker, man, what are you doing in the chat? Good to see you, man. So I'm doing this new challenge with Pablo, my buddy Pablo, who usually on the streams with me, but motherfucker overslept today. But we both are doing this $50 challenge. Let me pull up this account. So I'm going to be putting this MyFX book public, and we're going to be, there's this 10-day challenge where you take $50 and you just try to double. You take one trade a day on like a complete A+ setup, and you just go for a 1-to-1, and you try to double the money every day. And in 10 days, it'll be, I think it was going to be 11,000. So $50 or 11,000 in 10 days, which is a fun little small account challenge. That just for fun, just see if we can do it. I know people who have done it, so we want to give it a try and see if we can do it. Yeah. So that's that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be posting it in the Forex chat and Discord daily, just as so people can follow along. But I'm gonna be posting the link if you want to follow along. But we'll be taking the trades on the stream every morning for that challenge, so it'll be documented. It'll be fun. Excited. Two minutes until COMEX open. Not sure it'll do much. Hasn't really done much lately, and we also have 8:30 news, so we'll see. We'll see. High accountability for all trades, no stress. We'll all be watching and judging. No, I know. That's what makes it better, and that's why I'm actually like putting it public, because having that accountability and people watching everything you do makes you that much more disciplined. And so I'm actually really excited to do it, because I know I could do this. I know I can do this. So it's going to give me some good discipline with everybody watching and taking one A+ setup a day. So it'll be fun. We'll see. If I complete it, you're buying me a round of drinks in Chicago. Yeah, Warner, you're exactly right, dude. Those will be some epic YouTube shorts. Like I think that's going to be definitely in store for that. That's a good idea. That'd be fun. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Good idea. They could be some nasty videos. I think it's a good idea. 20 seconds till COMEX open. Not expecting much, but watching nonetheless. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh yeah, you'll see the setups, William. You'll see them. We're going to talk about them on the stream. I'll talk about any trades. I'll post them in the Discord. This is going to be a very transparent and open challenge. So you'll see it all. Oh, you're a graphics designer. No kidding. Wow. Wow. That's incredible. Yeah, dude. That's like something I'm so bad at. So we'll have to connect. Are you are you in the Discord, Werner? When you say perfect setups only, does that change how long you plan to stay in a trade versus what you usually do? So we're only doing specific style of trading for this, because it has to be like our top-notch setups. And what really our top-notch setups are like, we have this ledge here, right? It comes down and a backside retest for a drop down. So it's not really necessarily the length of time, but it's like a certain setup that we're going to look for. Just backside retest. Not going to look for any anticipatory trades that I usually do. I'm not going to be sitting in consolidation. We're just going to kind of look for this specific move. So, yeah. I'll join later. Awesome. Perfect. Hope to see you in there. I'll definitely message you once you join. Perfect. Yeah. Send it over. Always love to connect with people. I appreciate you. You know, Vant could always use a graphics designer. We'll have to talk. All right, gold. Let's see what you got. 8 minutes left till the news. Yeah, dude, networking is everything nowadays. It's everything. 100%. It's all about who you know, who you connect with. Gold still creating these higher lows. So we'll see if it keeps it up. Trending markets on confirmation entries, TP or stop loss. We're going to have a checklist of things that price has to do prior to entering A++. Yeah, exactly what Pablo said. Exactly. Oh, yeah. Hell no, dude. I'm not taking entries and consolidations on that challenge. Hell no. Because you mess up once, you're fucked, right? Because it's just, you know, we're going all in on each trade, so. You can shoot at me all you want. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. I'll take the shots. I could take the heat. You're right. No, you're totally right. So then we're going to change CPI calculation for next CPI, but no change to PC calculation, right? Correct. Always got to keep everybody on their toes, right? Say, Tyler, that was a fucked up entry you took. You're exactly right. It was. Exactly right. It was a fucked up entry. All right. We got 6 minutes left. But yeah, definitely backside retest all, you know, yeah, no consolidation entries because, you know, you're doing 1-to-1s and you're going all in on each trade, so you got to make it perfect. Ugh. I'm so geeking. Yeah, that gold entry would not have been one. Oh man, shit. Really? Aspen, shut up. Damn dog. The fuck? Like a burglar. All right, 5 minutes left. So I'll just explain what I did. I didn't think it was. I guess it was. I mean, honestly, it was not very smart. But here's. Let me explain. Let me explain why I did it. Typically, it's either, you know, gold sometimes moves in front of news events, right, and it starts you know, making a move, right. But if you look at the overall move, gold was having a really nice retest of this breakout here. And so looking at this red line here is the weekly point of control on like a 2-year view. And we had these lows, broke the lows, bullish engulfing back above. I took a long here, thought that we'd maybe then start running in front of the news event. But, you know, clearly that didn't work. But I still like the trade. I still like the idea, but it's not ready to go yet, obviously. So, you know, after it started just doing this, I should have bagged it and just said, okay, it's not doing what I initially thought, and yada yada. Now I still have my stop at break even, but I should have, yeah, that's that. Hi, Raven. 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes. I just saw some divergence in here. I saw the break of the lows, and I was like, all right, yeah, this thing, I think it can get going, but it didn't. I still think it can. I still think it will, but it didn't go when I thought it would. Two minutes, guys. 2 minutes. See what the equities are doing. Equities pulling back off their highs. DB bond futures 30-minute. Nice head and shoulders. Oh, nice. That's good. What are you thinking today, Bornlam? What are you thinking with this news here in a minute and a half? You think the equities are going to get moving, or you think they're going to drop? What's your expectation? One minute and 10 seconds, guys. Buckle up. Sag them titties, and let's go. We're fucking ready. That's right. Let the market get its footing. And then play it. 40 seconds. Borderland says chop her down. Okay. Chop her down. Okay. Alrighty. 20 seconds. Gold moving. Is Euro USD moving as well? Yeah, Euro USD is getting ready to move as well. Nice. Are you in it, Gonzalez? Are you in Euro USD now? 10 seconds, guys. Let's do this. Well, I am short, but not because of the data. Yeah, I mean, that's fair. All right. Oh, wow. Yep. Look at that drop. Pound yen. All right. Yeah, let this like settle down a second, guys. And then let it get its footing, and then we'll kind of see what's going on. See what the numbers came in as. Good thing I had a break even. I still got slipped on that freaking stop, but that's all right. I didn't get hurt. So I'm curious to see if gold runs the lows here and then rallies. Look at the 1 minute. 1 minute here ran these lows, closed back above. So let's see if this rallies or not. If it comes back below these lows here and starts filling the wick, then we probably see a continuation down. Yeah, so gold seems like it did a nasty grab of liquidity here to potentially continue higher. Unemployment claims good. Core durable goods good. So everything came in really good. Although advanced GDP came in worse than expected. Well, yeah, worse than expected. Came in better than last print, but worse than expected. Oh, no. Okay, no. Better than expected. Right. What am I looking at? Yeah, so Seems like gold still falling off here. Initial jobless claims way down. Yeah. Chop, 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 chop.
All right. Really not a lot of
Yeah, no good price action here at all.
price narrative in here.
Ugly, 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 ugly. So nothing yet for me. Probably going to let it settle down for the next 10 minutes. See what happens on the 5-minute chart. See where he finds some footing. And we'll kind of get from there. But I'm just going to hop off now. I'm going to go watch this thing and let it do its thing, and then I'll see what it wants to do. Everybody, thanks for hopping in. Appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day. Yeah, safe trading out there, guys, and have a great weekend. Peace.